We're cooking mussels today.
It's hot. This is what we cook.
It's special because it's cooked with a twist. And we're visiting an oyster farm. It's harvest to service, if you will. It's a special experience, learning and fun here on Roblo's Kitchen and Garden.
That's true, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. Join me.
Our boat is here.
Ba't nakita ti Rupang? Ay, go down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to change to a blue boat. The engine didn't start. You're now seeing a mussel farm. We're here.
Apa nakalive ba ta?
Video lang. Hang alive.
Nakalive din yung ko pre. Ha? Kuya dami ti.
TV to tirwara na dito eh.
Ay tibe.
Wow.
Đây, cái này tari harus cari tuh. Apa? Nah, aja ini. Jadi kegawat nang abang kegawat.
Don't leave us yet because we'll be cooking this at home with a view of the lake.
Dagay bisita ko. Tama kay tawo nga jay kadlayo ta. Tutaw ka na ta. Ha? Sida?
The quickest way to get rid of the barnacles. It's a regular stir fry of garlic, onion, and ginger, and I'm adding gin, a bit of gin, or wine, or even beer. And just add enough salt without overcooking. I know Thai influence, I'm adding Kafir lime leaves.
Well, that was our plan to cook it here for the background. But for convenience, I cook it inside. I might as well show you our dish. It's hot. This is what we cook. It was really good. Having experience harvesting it, cooking it, and enjoying it. More dishes here on Romlo's Kitchen and Garden.